What up? Welcome back to the video, guys. As promised, I promised you guys that I would be going over everything after I got the bike tuned and serviced. We're gonna go over pricing. We're gonna be going over everything that it did. Just to start the video, just to let you guys know what everything totaled. That's with the 1,000-mile service and tuning and dyno. Grand total of $1,277.49. Crazy amount of money. I was even a little surprised. A lot of that chunk is obviously coming from the labor work, which sucks because their labor work is super expensive. But we're gonna go down the 1,000-mile service real quick. The total for that was $418, and what that consisted of was retaining ring, the kit gasket service, spark plugs, Formula Plus 1Q TV, I don't know what that is, something else, which I don't know what that is, oil filter in black, and then the labor work on top of that. That all totaled to $418, and you must be asking yourself, well, you know, why'd you take it to Harley Davidson and do your own oil change? Your 1,000-mile service is really important. It's when they basically just go around, they look at your whole bike, they go inside, they make sure nothing's floating inside your engine, because sometimes there is little chips that might chip off and be floating in your engine heads, and you don't want that. They make sure to tighten up all the bolts and everything, make sure the bike is running where it's supposed to. It's a brand new bike. I don't want to take any chances of anything, especially being that it's such an expensive bike. Not just new, but also expensive. It's a $20,000 bike, you know? So very important for me to let them do it. Totally okay with that. Big difference from my Iron 883 that when I got my service, that was around $350. This one obviously being a lot more. This one being about $60 more. I'm okay with it. The bike is serviced. The next big service is gonna be at 5,000 miles, but in between around 2,500 miles, I'll be doing an oil change and filter. I'll be doing that myself. That's something that I asked them. I listen, if it's okay if I could do it myself. They say, yeah, just have the receipts. If anything, just keep them. The receipts for the oil, receipts for the filter. If you want to do it at home, that's totally fine. But when you get to your 5K, you know, just make sure we do it. Totally fine with that as well. So that's that. The bike is running amazing. If you saw my video from yesterday, it's running really smooth. Amazing power because of the 2-in-1 is now tuned with the Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle fuel pack. This is the Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle fuel pack that they used on my bike. So they gave that to me in case if later on I want to change anything else, or if I want to add a different filter, do any other additions. I already have this. I don't have to repurchase it. This was a little cheaper for me, guys, because I don't have to go and buy the cables. Cables are around $50-$40. But being that I was gonna have them dyno it and everything, they had everything in house, so they did that for me. I saved a little money right there. So just something good to keep in mind. So now that we have gone through all the details of the 1,000-mile service, we're gonna get into the tuning and dyno. So yes, I do have sheets here from the dyno testing, so I'm gonna be showing you guys that in a few. Total for it to get tuned and dynoed was $759. The street tuner was $299.95, so $300 just for the tuner, and then, you know, the codes and everything else, and the dyno tuning is what took most of that change. It was $460 for the dyno. Now, once again, the reason why this is a little more expensive is because of the labor work. Their labor work, like I said before, it is pretty pricey, which sucks for us, but whatever. At least everything is being done correctly. If anything ever does go wrong, you can just take it back and have them look at it, being that it has warranty. Now, if you saw my video after I installed the 2-in-1 two-brother exhaust, I was very happy with the performance. Obviously, it wasn't tuned enough. At low RPMs, I wasn't getting as much power, as much torque as I wanted to. But obviously, after it got tuned, there's tons of torque now in the beginning. Tons of torque at the higher RPMs as well. So big difference from going from the slip-ons to me installing them, I definitely noticed a big improvement right away. But after it got tuned, it's just a different monster. She is like a dragon. She's like a fire-breathing dragon. She is now a certified Targaryen dragon. All right, guys, so here we have the first dyno sheet. We got up to 109 at 2300 RPM, so not bad. Not bad, not bad. I'm pretty sure that if we had a different tuner, we could have got it into the 20s, but it's okay. I am more than happy with the improvement. It feels amazing. Honestly, I don't know if I want to get more power out of her. She feels amazing. In the long run, I'll see. We'll be doing a review later down a few months to see if I want to be, you know, do a stage 2 or stage 3 in that matter, but I highly doubt it. I'm pretty happy with the performance as of now. Let's go into the next sheet. All right, so as you can see here at 4,900 RPM, we got up to 89. So not bad at all either. So a lot of torque at high RPMs, a lot of torque at low RPMs. She feels amazing, guys. You have no idea. A lot of people that just get tuners, they don't end up getting it dynoed, and I think you should. I mean, you should know the amount of power, the amount of torque that you're going to be getting out of her at different RPMs, and what she's capable of. So I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey, yes, but if you're able to do it, like I said, go for it. Good knowledge to have. Like I said, if later on, if I do want to get a little more power out of her, maybe a year or two from now, if I'm not worried about the warranty anymore, then I use a different fuel pack, then I know that I can get a lot of more torque out of this little fire-breathing dragon. All right, guys, so real quick, we're gonna go ahead, take her outside. We're gonna turn her on for you, let you hear what she sounds like, because I'm pretty sure you guys want to hear what she sounds like. Alright, so she sounds beautiful, as you can see. Amazing. She feels amazing on the road. Super happy I got everything tuned, serviced, and I'm not worried about anything for the next few coming months. Tomorrow I have a very cool ride coming for you guys. I'm taking a group ride with me and 4 of the guys. We're going to Hawk's Nest. This picture right here, amazing scenery. Funny story about that. I'll be talking about it in the video tomorrow, so tune in for that. And if this is the type of content you're into, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. This is my 2020 Lowrider S. There's still tons and tons of work that we need to do to her. So stay tuned, subscribe. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride. Peace.